Okay, so I've already, tried to make 2 of these freaking videos showing you guys how to do this, and my voice has either been too low, my computer went absolutely haywire, or I screwed up tremendously. So you're gonna start up Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition, and then click New Project over here. Make sure it's a Windows Form application, and then you can name it whatever you want, doesn't matter. Alright, so now once it loads that, you're going to go down to button, or up to button, or just select the damn button, double click on it, and then we're going to double click on it again, get 2 of those buttons in there, and now we're going to go find text box, put a text box in there, and then double click a timer, put another timer in there. Alright, so now you can just customize it, there you go, got all that, looks halfway decent, and then now it looks good, we'll start encode. So under button 1, it's going to be timer 1 dot start. We're just going to start timer 1. That's going to be our start button. That's going to make timer 1 start. This is going to be our stop button. This is going to just, oh shit. Alright, so now it's going to be our stop button. Alright, and this is just going to control this timer right here. And this is where like all of our commands are, what actually makes it go. Alright, this is going to be on error resume next, which should pop up when you start typing that. On error resume next, and then you're going to send keys dot send, and it's going to be text box 1 dot text. So your keys are going to send whatever you put in that text box. Alright, so I go back to your design. It looks kind of crappy. This thing is all form 1, button 1, button 2, sorry. It's late night, I'm tired. Alright, so now, either what you can normally do, just like properties over here, and then you can find where it says text and change it. But I'm just going to type it because I like typing. So make sure you double click on the empty space of your form, and then it should show form 1 load. Alright, so once it shows that, you type in button 1, so we're talking about our button right now, and we're talking about the text that's on it, button 1 dot text, and it's going to equal, and they use these quotes right here. These quotes specify just like text, that's what they specify. So like the quotes, and we're going to name it start, because this is the button that's going to start. And then button 2 is what's going to stop our program, so we're going to name it stop. And then our form, which we were referring to ourselves, so we refer to it as me. We're talking about our form 1, and we're going to change that text of form1.text or me.text equals spammer, because we made a spammer. So there you go. Voila, we can test it, debug it. Open it up over here. Looks fine. Here you go. We'll open up Notepad so we can show you that it works. Type in whatever, start. There you go. Stop. All good. I want to save those changes. Exit out of that. Stop. You can build your project by clicking build right there, and it should send it. Then you go to start, my computer, and then you can find in program files, and then you'll find Microsoft Visual Basic. Should be right. Oh god, I got a lot of crap. Microsoft. Yeah, actually, I think I'm in the wrong area. Yeah, what am I doing? It's freaking... I wish I could pause the damn video right now. Well, actually, I can. Whatever, bear with me for a second while I try to find where all my shit is. Like I said, I'm late. It's right now, like you look at my clock, it's 2:24. Good morning. I'm so tired. So tired. I don't know. VB bin Who cares? You don't have to build it. You could just test it, make sure it works. You learn something new. Great, good day. Have a wonderful night. I'm going to bed.